Hello, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. If you're in a hurry but want to eat something really delicious, pay attention, because today I'm going to teach you how to make the classic and irresistible classic tuna melt. This sandwich is perfect for those who want convenience without sacrificing flavor. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and with that melted cheese that pulls when you bite into it, the tuna melt is the kind of recipe that looks like it came from a fancy coffee shop, but that you can make right there in your kitchen with simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Let's look at the ingredients for the classic tuna melt, and if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, because our recipes will win you over with their flavor and convenience. And don't forget, the list of ingredients is in the video description. Let's get straight to the preparation. Start by separating all the ingredients. For this recipe you will need slices of sourdough bread, sandwich bread, or some other bread with thicker slices, which will hold the filling well and toast crispy, 1 can of canned tuna, 170 g, preferably in olive oil or drained oil, 2 heaping tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise, which will give the filling the perfect creaminess, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion, which will add a slightly sweet and crunchy touch, 1 tablespoon of celery cut into very small cubes, to give that refreshing touch in the middle of the filling, and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, to season everything, and finally a 1/4 cup of each cheese, a mix of grated cheddar and mozzarella. If you want, you can also add a pinch of salt, but only after tasting, because the tuna and cheese already have a lot of saltiness. Place the drained tuna in a medium bowl and, using a fork, start shredding it well. The idea is to leave it loose, without large pieces, so that it mixes evenly with the other ingredients. Then, add the mayonnaise and mix until it forms a creamy base. Add the red onion, celery, and black pepper. Mix everything carefully, incorporating the ingredients without crushing them too much. You will notice that the mixture begins to come alive, texture, color, and aroma. This is the heart of your tuna melt. Now let's choose the bread, which makes all the difference. Use 2 slices of sourdough bread, sandwich bread, or some other bread with thicker slices, which will hold the filling well and toast crispy. Take the slices and, with a butter knife, spread a thin layer of butter on only one side of each slice. These sides will be facing out, in contact with the grill or sandwich maker. This step is essential to create that golden crispy crust on the outside, which is the signature of a good tuna melt. With the ingredients ready and the bread prepared, let's assemble the sandwich. Place one of the slices of bread on a cutting board, buttered side down. Spread half a cup of the tuna mixture on top, leveling it off with a spoon to avoid leaving any holes. Next comes the golden touch, the combination of cheeses. Use a mix of shredded cheddar and mozzarella, approximately a 1/4 cup of each. The cheddar will add an intense flavor, while the mozzarella will give it that very visual cheese-like effect. Spread the cheeses over the filling and close with the other slice of bread, buttered side up now. Time to grill. You can use an electric sandwich maker, a heavy-bottomed frying pan, or a panini press. If you're using the sandwich maker, preheat it for 2 minutes. Once it's hot, place the sandwich on top and carefully close it. Leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the bread is golden brown on the outside and the cheeses are melted on the inside. If using a skillet, keep the heat medium and press the sandwich down with a spatula, turning halfway through to brown both sides evenly. Once golden brown, remove from the grill and place on a cutting board. Wait about 30 seconds before cutting, so that the cheeses can set a little and not run out all at once. Using a sharp knife, cut the sandwich in half diagonally, revealing the warm, creamy filling with the cheese. The smell is irresistible, and the crunchiness of the bread when cut is enough to give you a taste of the experience. Serve with pickles or a simple salad if you want to balance it out. But the truth is that the tuna melt is already self-supporting. Now tell me, isn't it worth learning a recipe like this? It's quick, easy, and looks like gourmet food. And the best part is that you can customize it. Add capers, a slice of tomato, even a pinch of pepper if you like a spicy touch. But the way I showed you here, it's guaranteed to be a success. So don't forget to like, comment if you tried it, and subscribe to the channel because every week there's a new, easy and tasty recipe. Now it's up to you. Prepare it, bite into it, and fall in love. Cooking well is not a matter of time or advanced technique, it's a matter of knowing the way, and that's what I'm here to give you, step by step, no mystery. So save this video, share it with that friend who loves sandwiches or who always says they don't know how to cook. Tag in the comments who you're going to invite to try this tuna melt with you. And if you do, take a picture and tag me. I love seeing how recipes come to life in your kitchen. Don't forget to activate the bell, because there are lots of good recipes coming, all practical, all with that real food touch, homemade and with real flavor. Thanks for watching until the end. Now run to the kitchen and indulge in this deliciousness. You'll be surprised at how something so simple can be so delicious. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.